Hey guys, I'm showing you this Poetic iPad case. As you can see, it comes in a nice one, and this is for this base model of 10.1 inches. So let me just open this ziploc and then just take this out. So you can see it's flexible as well as hard in the corner. So let me just open this up. So this is a rigged or the rubbed base inside, and it's flexible. From the back you can see it's scratch resistant. And this is my iPad, so I'm just trying to put in. So this is for the 10.2 inches iPad, and from the all corners it comes and fits well. And then you can see that the buttons and everything is looks fine, no issue with all these holes and the cuts. The camera and everything looks fine with this aux cable, so there is no issue with the port, and very handy and safe case.